Look at you. A damn mess, right? Pathetic, isn't it? Broken by the world. Left here like a piece of trash. They did a number on you, didn't they? All those people you trusted, the ones you thought had your back. Yeah, those same people, they chewed you up and spit you out. Didn't even bother to look back. But here's the truth you need to hear. They're watching you now. Yeah, they are. They're waiting for you to stay down. They want you to crumble under the weight of it all. You think they care? Nah. They're hoping you don't get back up. They want to see you stuck in the dirt because they know when you rise again, it's going to be something they can't even comprehend. And that terrifies them. Here's the thing they'll never understand. When you get back up, you won't be the same. Oh no. You're going to come back stronger, smarter, and more powerful than ever. You're a threat to them. You always have been. They saw that fire inside you, that spark they tried to snuff out. They knew what you'd become if you ever realized how strong you are. That's why they tried to destroy you, tried to bury you. But here's the thing, they tried to bury you, but they didn't know. You're a seed. Yeah, that's you. You're not buried. You're planted. And now, you're about to grow into something real, something big. And when you do, those same people who left you for dead will have no choice but to watch. Watch you rise. Watch you climb. Watch you become everything they could never touch. You think it's over? You think it's done because they hurt you? Because you have scars? Nah, that's where you're wrong. Those scars aren't marks of defeat. They're your battle trophies. They're proof of the war you survived. And the best part? They're permanent. You wear them with pride because each one is a testament to your strength. See, you're looking at it all wrong. You don't need to be fixed. You're not broken. You're rebuilding. You're not going to be the same. You're becoming something better, something harder to break. You ever break a bone? Yeah, you know it heals stronger, right? That's you now. Your heart, your spirit, maybe they've been fractured, but they're coming back stronger, more resilient. And guess what? God's watching you. He's not going to let this go unnoticed. He's cooking up something special for you. Ever heard the saying, He'll rebuild you in front of the people who broke you? That's not just some nice quote. It's real. You think he's going to let them win? Hell no. He's going to take that pain, that loss, and turn it into power. He's going to rebuild you piece by piece, out in the open, where everyone can see. And when he does, oh, those people who hurt you, who left you behind, they'll choke on their own jealousy, their own regret. They'll have to watch you rise stronger, wiser, meaner right in front of their eyes. You think you're done because it's been hard? Nah, you're not done. You're just getting started. God is going to take that brokenness and turn it into something so powerful, so untouchable. It'll make everything they did to you seem small. You're not a victim. You're a survivor. Scratch that. You're a warrior. Every scar, every bruise, every tear, it all becomes part of the foundation you'll build your empire on. They thought they broke you? Nah, you the tools to rebuild stronger, harder, and wiser. You don't get to this level of power without pain, without loss, without being broken. But here's the ultimate lesson you're learning. Nothing and no one can break you permanently. They may have knocked you down, but you're coming back like a storm. They can't stop. And when you rise, you're not just proving them wrong, you're proving you right. Every time you doubted yourself, every time you thought it was too much, you're proving to yourself just how strong you really are. And when you step into that power, oh man, the world better watch out. They thought they'd ended you. They thought they'd had the last laugh. But guess what? The joke's on them. They just lit a fire inside you that's going to burn so bright, it'll blind them. And when you rise from this, you won't just be unbreakable, you'll be unstoppable. Let's get real. Not everyone is built for this. Most people get chewed up by the world and stay broken. They never get up again. But you've got something inside you that refuses to die. You've got that fire that makes you dangerous. That's what makes you unstoppable. And you know what? God doesn't rebuild the weak. He rebuilds the warriors, the ones who can handle pain, take the hits, and still rise. And you're about to be rebuilt in a way that'll make every person who doubted you, who hurt you, who left you for dead, regret every single moment they thought they buried you. But what they didn't realize, they weren't breaking you, they were preparing you, sharpening you, refining you. Yeah, it's been ugly and it's been brutal, but when you come out of this, you're going to be a force to fear. They'll be the ones trembling, wondering how the hell you survived it all. And you'll smile, knowing they'll never touch you again. But here's the thing, it's not just about surviving anymore. Survival? That's the bare minimum. You're not just going to survive this. You're going to thrive. You're going to rebuild everything they tried to tear down. And you're going to make it bigger, stronger, better. God's not just going to rebuild you. He's going to elevate you. He's going to show you what you're really capable of. And once you realize that, once you understand the depth of your strength, there's no going back. You're going to be a force of nature, unstoppable, unbreakable, and they'll be left standing there, powerless to do a damn thing about it. The real irony, the people who try to break you, they're the ones who are truly broken. They're empty, hollow, living in fear. They tried to tear you down because they saw in you what they could never be. But guess what? They're done. They can't touch you anymore. You're going to sleep easy, knowing you came out stronger, knowing you took everything they threw at you and turned it into fuel for your rise. And it's just the beginning. Because when God rebuilds you, He doesn't just patch you up. He forges you into something new, something indestructible. And when you stand there, rebuilt, renewed, reborn, those who doubted you, those who hurt you, thought they finished you off, they're going to be staring at someone they don't even recognize anymore. You're not just coming back. You're coming back as a whole different beast, a whole different level. And that's going to scare the hell out of them. But guess what? They made a mistake. They thought they broke you, but all they did was give you the fuel to rise higher than ever before. And when you rise, you'll rise untouchable. And they'll have to live with the knowledge that no matter what they did, you came out on top.